What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are all having a great week so far. This is yet another video on my computer. I find this so much easier to not only film but edit and just explain to you guys things when I can actually access my computer. So today's video is going to be talking about my favorite app and my favorite wallet for cryptocurrency. I'm still relatively new to the entire cryptocurrency world. I find it very fascinating and I'm trying to learn more and more each day. I came across this app about a month and a half ago, and I'm slowly starting to add in more and more of my money into this app, into this wallet, as opposed to Robinhood. I actually had all of my cryptocurrency at one point in Robinhood, and then I started transferring a little bit over at a time to this app, which I'm going to reveal the name right now for you guys. This app is actually called BlockFi. A lot of you guys may have heard of this. For those of you guys that are familiar with cryptocurrencies and wallets, then you guys probably have definitely heard of this. But the main reason why I like this, and the main reason why this is turning into my favorite cryptocurrency wallet, is because it pays you interest. It doesn't only pay you like a fractional interest like some of these savings accounts that you get in banks, like 0.5% and stuff like that. This pays you a lot of interest for putting your money in here. Now, like I said, I'm still relatively new to the app itself, so I am still testing it out a little bit. As you guys can see, I'm going to be completely transparent in here. This is my current account with them right now. I have about $10,620 in here. I actually originally started this account with $10,000, so it has gained $620 since I opened it. This hasn't been up the whole time though. About a week and a half ago, I was actually down, I think, about $1,200 at one point. I was in the 8,000s, but as cryptocurrencies increased, I'm now above what I put into it. I always like when I open up new accounts to put like solid numbers in there, so then I can always, at a quick glance, I know if I'm overall up or down on a specific position. So this one was $10,000 is what I funded it. I'm gonna break down to you guys what I actually have invested in here, and then I'm also gonna talk a little bit more about the app itself. So, as you guys can see, I have about 7,000 of this $10,000 in BTC or Bitcoin, which I'm way heavier in Bitcoin right now. And then I have about $3,580 in Ethereum. My overall positions, I believe I have 0.12 BTC in here right now, and then I have 2 Ethereums. So it has a couple cryptocurrencies that you can trade, or a couple coins. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink. I know Chainlink's relatively new to this specific app itself. BlockFi, I think they put this in about a week ago where you can actively trade it. And then Pax Gold, which I actually haven't even heard of before. Just kind of goes to show how unfamiliar I am with cryptocurrency, but I am starting to learn more and more. One of the really cool things about this, you guys know how I love passive income. It's like one of my main goals in life is to just build up as much passive income as possible each and every month from a bunch of different income streams. And as you guys can see, I've had this for, I don't even know how long, probably a month, and I have made $22.58 from my $10,000. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but if I had this $10,000 in a savings account, I don't even know how much I probably would have made. I probably would have made around less than $1, I would assume. So this is very exciting for me to make $22 interest, and then I also am for this month I have $17.92 as well. So it is starting to build up. I will start to add more and more money into this account. I know people that are making thousands of dollars a month based on how much money they have in here. So now we're going to talk about how you can get interest, how you can make money from just leaving your money in here. There's a couple different streams that you can do. There's a couple different cryptocurrencies that you can do to make money here. So let's jump over to the interest rates. So this is what you guys want to look at when you are signing up for this. This is the main reason why I signed up. This is basically the BlockFi Interest Account, which is what I have. And this is what BlockFi will pay you to have your money in their wallet, essentially, or in their app. And how BlockFi makes money, because you guys are probably wondering, like, how is BlockFi paying me interest right now? They basically are loaning out your money that is in your account, but they're loaning it out to other people to borrow it at a higher interest rate than what they're paying you. So they're just basically knocking some off the top for a very broad example here, let's say they're paying me 5% for my money. They're going to take my money and let someone else borrow it at, let's say, 6 or 7%. So they're making a 1 to 2% on it. I'm making 5% on it. Everyone's kind of essentially winning here. And then they get a lot of borrowers as well that want to borrow cryptocurrency or want to leverage their positions essentially. So here's what we're looking at. I think they actually just raised this. This is cool. This used to be 5.6%. So this is new to me. So basically, you're getting however much money you have in Bitcoin in your account up to 2.5 Bitcoin right here. You're making 6% annualized on your money. So that's insane. That's basically 0.5% a month for however much money you have in Bitcoin. Now, let's say you guys aren't too invested in cryptocurrencies and you don't really fully trust them right now. They're actually paying you interest for a USDC coin, which is basically pegged to the US dollar. So for example, one USDC coin is equal to $1. Two USDC coins is equal to $2. So if you guys just want to have your just basically US dollars in BlockFi and earn interest, you can definitely do that. And the crazy thing about this is they're actually paying you higher interest to leave your dollars in a stable coin. They're paying you 8.6% interest annualized, which I think is about just over 0.75% a month for leaving your money in USD. And you can easily transfer this out. So what you'll do is you transfer your US dollars to USDC in BlockFi. And then when you go to transfer it out, you'll simply convert the USDC back to the US dollar, and you're earning 8.6% interest on that. So here are all the numbers. I'm not going to run through everything on here. ETH or Ethereum is 5.25%. They basically have all these percentages based on the demand it is for someone to borrow it. So 8.6% is high because there's a lot of demand for people wanting to borrow US dollars. It's essentially for people that need money, that need US dollars to pay for things, but they don't want to sell their cryptocurrency. So they're essentially leaving their Bitcoin or cryptos in BlockFi, and they're borrowing US dollars to go and actually use it. So that's why it's 8.6%, because there's a high demand for it. So when there's a high demand for borrowing something, it's going to give you a higher interest rate. Obviously, not a lot of people are borrowing ETH, so it's a little bit lower, but I think this is just extremely fascinating. When I originally put money into here, I just let it sit in the US dollar for a while, just because I just didn't want to invest in the cryptos at that specific moment. So it actually accumulated quite a bit of money at 8.6%. We'll go here now just to give you guys some calculations. So we're going to go to the US dollar. This is kind of just a calculator built into the app. Let's just say you had let's say you put $24,000. You put $24,000 of your own money in here, you're going to get $2,064 at the end of the year. $2,064 divided by 12, that's $172 a month. So that's not too bad at all, guys. A normal savings account is less than half a percent a year. So you guys got to keep that in mind. This is giving you 0.75% a month compared to a normal savings account in a bank, which is less than 1% a year. So it's honestly, I think, a great deal, a smoking deal, I think. Obviously, it's not FDIC insured. It's cryptocurrency, so you guys have to keep that in mind. I do believe it is insured by some sort of insurance. I don't know exactly. I have to do my more research on it. But so far, so good on this app. Like I said, I've had it for about a month now. Obviously, another cool thing about this, if you guys do believe in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin itself, like, you're investing your money into an appreciating asset, and on top of that, you're getting paid interest for that. I don't think there's any promises for how long these interest rates are going to stay right here. Like, they can change them at any time, but for the last month and a half that I've had it, all these have been pretty stable. And actually, honestly, I think BTC actually went up a little bit. So yeah, that's just a quick video, guys, on BlockFi. If you guys are interested, actually, I think I have like some referral thing on here. Oh yeah, refer a friend. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna link this right down below, and I think you guys get some sort of incentive. It'll be in the description down below if you guys can check it out, and I'll link the incentive if there is any for you guys as well. I think we both get something if you guys sign up. So just a quick video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I know it's a little bit different than my normal videos on here, but let me know what you guys enjoy on this channel. I never really know. Do you guys enjoy specifically real estate stuff, or do you guys want to see more general finance videos, more credit card videos, more stock videos, more cryptocurrency videos? I love to just talk about anything that you guys enjoy watching, so thank you guys so much. Please drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video.